Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Wiedenhop, and this webinar will give a very quick intro to the EDvera system screens. This webinar was recorded in December 2018. We make small changes from time to time, so while the real pages you work with may be a little different than what I show here, the general processes should be the same or very similar. We will do new webinars whenever there are substantive changes. EDvera is a cloud-based workflow system developed by Ciena Education Services. And cloud-based means that you can access your school's information from anywhere that has an internet connection. The MDHE has contracted with Ciena to adjust their EDvera template to fit Missouri's needs. Several other states and I believe at least one accrediting agency use their own version of EDvera. So if your school uses EDvera in another state or with the accreditor, then some of this will be very familiar. So we will start with EDvera's login screen, which is mo.edvera.com. And you can find this information from our web page. Let me go ahead and pop this open, dhe.mo.gov/PSC. And you can either click on Starting a New School or EDvera. Either one will take you to this page. And let's see, there it is, right there, mo.edvera.com. And you'll also notice that there are user manuals both for initial certification and for certified schools. So check those out if you get time. If you want to start a new school or if you're just new, you'll click on the New User button or the blue Support button on the bottom right of the screen. Either one will get you the same thing. It will be a pop-up box. You will give me your name, your email address. Don't care about browser, that is just a Ciena thing. The name of your school. If you're already established, go ahead and give me your school. If you're a new school, what is the proposed institution name? I need to put something in EDvera to get you access. Next, in this text field, type the school that you want to start and the program areas involved. For example, maybe you want to start a CNA school. So you'll just put, I would like to start a CNA school. Easy peasy. Then you just click Send. And this will alert the help desk, which is usually me, and we will respond. Now, there is also a link if you are already registered in the system, but you've forgotten your password. You will just go ahead and click on that, and you'll be prompted with an email and asked to reset your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken to your school's dashboard page. Now, the dashboard contains just very basic information about your school. If you're accredited, your contact information, your school's DHE code, and any programs which your school has been approved. You'll be able to revise the telephone, fax, and website from here, but any other changes have to be completed through the document approval process. Now, on the upper right side of the screen is your name. Should be Laura, but that's okay. And next to it, a little drop-down arrow. From here, you will be able to edit your profile, to review any notifications in your inbox from the department, or you can log out of the system. Now, if you hover over your profile, you'll see the options to edit your profile, change your password, or update your notification settings. Do not open that. Don't open and change your notification settings. That would be bad, because then I wouldn't be able to contact you. We want to go ahead and select Edit Profile. Now, here's where you can input specific information for you about your job title, contact information, or you can add a photo. These are all optional, and they are not required for you to get system access. If we go to the Profile tab here, we can also click on Change Password. If you're logging in for the first time, the system should prompt you to this page to change the password to one of your own choosing. If not, go ahead and do this, and you can change your password at any time. Now, just under your name on the upper right is a drop-down link titled Switch Institutions. If you have or need user access to more than one campus location, you will use this button to switch back and forth. So I'm using Driving Academy in Cuba and Grand River Welding, just as an example. It makes logging into your schools easier as there's just one less password to remember. But make sure you're working in the correct school before submitting any documents. At the top of the screen, you'll see 3 tabs. We have Dashboard, Documents, and Approvals. Missouri does not use the Approvals tab at this time, so just ignore that. Let's click on the Documents tab. And you have 2 new tabs here. One is In Progress and one is Document Archive. The In Progress documents is just what it says on the tin. Any documents being worked on or submitted by the school that are in the process of being reviewed by the department will stay here until all actions have been completed. Completed documents are automatically moved into the Document Archives. Let's see. And all approved. And on the right side of the screen is going to be your new best EDvera friend, the Start Document button. If you click on it, all the documents available to you in your school are listed alphabetically. Just find the one you need and click. Well, that's it for this web short, and thank you for viewing. Look on the MDHE website for other EDvera web shorts. We'll put them right down here. And remember, just try not to stress about it. EDvera is a very forgiving system for the most part, and we are all learning this together. So have fun with EDvera, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.